One takedown, Solar.
You girls better hurry up with your cheer. It's not going to be long.
Don't jinx him.
Okay, when you're done taking pictures, then tell me.
Ooh.
What's your arrow?
Now, sometimes you just got to call it the way it is.
Roll over. You did a fill. Ripping his shoulder, but he's not turned on. And good double joints.
We want the red to go. We want the red to go. We want the red to go. Like we want the red to go. We want the red to go. We want the red to go. Like oh my God.
One takedown for Solar. One mistake. One takedown for Solar.
There he goes.
One mistake from Mount Vernon on the